Welcome to the best pick. Tired of bulky fridges taking up too much space? Compact refrigerators are the perfect solution. In this review, we'll explore the top options to keep your food and drinks cool without sacrificing space. Now let's take a look at the best compact refrigerators we choose for you. Number 5. Tired of your bulky old fridge taking up all your kitchen space? With this mini fridge, you can finally free up the precious space you need for fruit, veggies, beverages, and frozen foods. Measuring 18.5 by 17.7 by 32.8 inches, this mini fridge is so compact that it will actually fit on a table. Small apartment owners or office workers will be surprised with how nicely it fits in just about anywhere. This modern fridge is sleek and stylish, coming in a variety of colors from black to bright red and orange. Whatever interior you have, RCA Mini Fridge has got you covered. You can easily customize the temperature level of this fridge by simply twisting the knob. Using this fridge is a real no-brainer for anyone. This handy fridge comes with 2 removable shelves, allowing you to rearrange and free up more space inside. Now your wine or cola bottles can be stored upright or on the side with very little effort. Equipped with adjustable lever feet, this mini fridge can easily be leveled on any surface. Remove the tilt and enjoy the fridge for a longer time span. This mini fridge will be indispensable for a small kitchen, limited office space, or student dorm. It's a must-have for anyone looking to free up space and keep their food and beverages at the perfect temperature. What we like. If you have a small kitchen, limited office space, or are a student living in a dorm, you should consider RCA RFR 321. It offers a compact size, a variety of colors to match any interior, and adjustable temperature and storage space, making it a perfect fit for any small living or working space. What people say. This fridge is perfect for a small home office. It's quiet, holds plenty of drinks and snacks, and stays plenty cold enough even without drawing too much power. Door is fully reversible and the process only takes about 30 minutes. Highly recommend. Update: 4 months in and it's still working great and I'm still very happy with it. Number 4. Looking for a space-saving solution for your kitchen, office, or mini bar? The Midea WHS 160RB1 is the perfect choice with its compact design and sleek black finish. Whether you live in a small apartment, share an office space, or stay in a dorm room, this fridge is exactly what you need to freeze and cool down food in style. The reversible door and adjustable legs make this fridge convenient for crowded spaces, allowing you to customize its setup to fit your needs. With a capacity of 4.4 cubic feet, this fridge can hold 2-liter bottles, canned drinks, and lunch food, making it perfect for sharing with friends or coworkers. Removable shelves and a can rack provide flexible storage options, allowing you to store larger or oddly shaped items with ease. The Midea WHS 160RB1 is ENERGY STAR rated and uses less energy per day, helping you save money on electricity bills while keeping your supplies cold and fresh. What we like. If you are looking for a practical and energy-saving option for your kitchen, office, or mini bar, the Midea WHS 160RB1 is the way to go. With adjustable temperature, removable shelves for customizable storage, and ENERGY STAR rating, it's a great choice for those who want a compact fridge that doesn't compromise on quality or storage space. What people say. I've had this mini fridge for over 2 years now and I couldn't be happier. For a reasonable price I got a well-functioning, compact, and most importantly, roomy fridge. I love how much stuff I can fit in here, and I love how easy it is to adjust the temperature. I bought this when I was in college to store things at hopefully a moderately cold temperature, and after about 2 years it's been absolutely amazing. It has a small freezing compartment that works amazingly and overall it keeps things nicely cold. I don't usually leave reviews but I use this in my office every day and I love this little trooper. This little fridge can hold quite a lot and is very convenient for 1 to 2 people. The freezer is a bit small and probably couldn't fit a quart-sized container. The freezer works very well, however, and I've managed to cram plenty of other things in there. The only complaint I can think of is that the way the metal bars are set means that I've had to take one out to fit in milk gallons, but that's hardly a problem as I can fit 2 of them, a 1.5L of orange juice, 2 pitchers of water, and a 6-pack of Mike's Hards all on one row. This is not all I fit in the fridge, I also have a variety of groceries elsewhere, but this is a good depiction of the flat surface layout. Number 3. Looking for a stylish and compact mini fridge? This single-door unit is small, convenient, and packed with extra features. Just what you need for an RV, boat, or bedroom. Standing at 17.5 x 18.5 x 19.7, this portable fridge has a smaller footprint and much more free space. Ideal for undersized rooms or offices, it can store food and beverages at 70 watts, conveniently saving energy. The design of this fridge will easily fit into a modern interior. Pick one of the 3 color options to customize it even further. Time to forget the dull and bulky fridges you've known and used before. This fridge has many useful features to make it even more practical. Let's start with the reversible door that can open left or right, depending on where you decide to place the unit. Next, the leveling legs allow you to position the fridge correctly and prolong its lifespan. Is this model noisy? Actually, not at all. Unlike some other mini fridges, this one is super quiet and won't disturb your work or rest. You're free to use it at the office, in the bedroom, or on board, and it will always keep a low profile. What we like. If you like stylish and compact appliances with versatile features, the Black Plus Decker BCRK17B Energy Star fridge is a perfect match. It's ideal for RVs, boats, or bedrooms, and offers quiet operation, versatile features, and a small footprint, making it a great choice for those who want a convenient and space-saving mini fridge. What people say. I really like this little mini fridge. It's the perfect size for the space I needed it to occupy. It's also very quiet. I don't even really notice any noise at all. And, it keeps things super cold. The price is right too. Would highly recommend. I love this compact fridge. I got Black & Decker because I was pleased with their products in the past. This time I was spot on to do so. It makes no noise at all. I have to go put my hand in to see if it's cool to know it's on. LOL. Perfect size to hold my bottles of water, butter, and cream cheese, etc. It's very attractive and stainless, and our guests admire it. We got this when our regular kitchen fridge was being repaired, to save some food. What a lifesaver. It won't really make ice, but if we put ice already made in, it keeps it frozen. Also, the outside top and sides are cool, not hot, which I like. I highly recommend and would buy again in a heartbeat. Absolutely the quietest compact fridge I've ever owned. It is so quiet, I forget it's even there. Design is sleek, looks and works great in my office. Number 2, looking for a mini fridge that can hold more without taking up too much space. The Frigidaire EFR 182 is the perfect solution. With a stylish retro design and stainless steel finish, it's a great fit for any modern kitchen or office. Despite its compact size, the Frigidaire EFR 182 can accommodate all your groceries and beverages. With a pull-out wire shelf and 2 compartments in the door storage, you can easily find the perfect layout for your needs. The Frigidaire EFR 182 lets you adjust the temperature and doesn't contain CFCs, making it a great choice for environmentally conscious owners. Keep your food cold and the planet safe with this practical fridge. Whether you need it for your home, office, kitchen, or dorm room, the Frigidaire EFR 182 is a perfect fit. With a small footprint and reversible door, it can easily be positioned in any space without hassle. With a freezer compartment for making ice and storing snacks, as well as bottle racks for 2-liter bottles, the Frigidaire EFR 182 offers all the convenience you need in a compact fridge. What we like. If you need more storage space in a smaller footprint and want an eco-friendly option, the Frigidaire EFR 182 is the one for you. Its large capacity, eco-friendly cooling system, and stylish design make it a perfect fit for modern kitchens or offices with limited space. What people say. Great refrigerator, the frozen temp is 20 degrees Fahrenheit and the fridge area is 40 degrees Fahrenheit on setting 2 of 5. Keeps my ice pops frozen and ice and my drinks and fruit cool. Noise is fine, running, only thing that is a little loud is the click when it first starts up and again when it reaches temperature. Works well. Quiet. Fits office perfectly. Able to swap door openings with some effort. It's very classy and quiet. Very nice. Works great right out of the box. Nice looking unit. Runs very quiet. Located about 4 feet from my head, I can just barely hear it running. It's the right size for my purpose, which is to have fresh, cold drinking water at my home office desk. The shipping container was easy to unpack. Cut 4 bands with scissors and lift the carton off the base. However, that same shipping container makes it very difficult if not impossible to return the item if there is a problem. My unit arrived damaged from the factory with an upper rear corner of the cabinet crushed. I decided to keep it because the damage cannot be readily seen from the front, the shipping container does not lend itself well for returning the item and the damage does not seem to affect the operation of the unit. I knocked off 1 star for the damage but the refrigerator works fine. The brand name Frigidaire at a very reasonable price. I love the stainless door. Inside, it has everything you need in a mini fridge. It was a very smart buy. Excellent small size freezer for small spaces. Number 1, looking for a fridge that fits plenty of food in a small space. The Edgestar CRF 321SS is the perfect choice. With a 3.1 cubic feet capacity, it's ideal for dormitory rooms or small offices. Equipped with durable tempered glass shelves, a slide-out crisper, door and freezer shelves, the Edgestar CRF 321SS makes food storage a breeze. The adjustable thermostat also lets you control the temperature to keep food fresh. Featuring a stainless steel exterior, tempered glass shelves, and LED backlighting, the Edgestar CRF 321SS is not only stylish but also ENERGY STAR certified with low energy consumption. For a clean and fresh fridge, consider getting a deodorizer and stainless steel polish. These accessories will keep your Edgestar CRF 321SS looking and smelling brand new. Customers love the perfect size, spacious freezer, and quiet, energy-efficient operation of the Edgestar CRF 321SS. It's the ideal compact fridge for any space. What we like. If you want a compact fridge with a large capacity and convenient storage features, the Edgestar CRF 321SS is the way to go. With its durable shelves, convenient storage options, and stylish stainless steel design, it's perfect for dorm rooms or small offices, offering ample space for all your food storage needs. What people say. The fridge with separate doors for freezer and fridge keeps each compartment at the temperature that seems correct. My TV dinners stay hard frozen and the food is cold but not frozen. Had this about 3 months now, and it works great. Gets cold as I want it to, and the freezer is an actual freezer. A few tiny spots of frost in the freezer, after 2 months. But nothing that even comes close to having to scrape out. Very quiet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.